Let's make Pusser's Classic Mai Tai. To make this drink, we're going to start with 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 1 ounce of orgeat, and I do make my own orgeat. Well, 1 ounce is 30 milliliters, and I still make my own. Yeah, the recipe is here on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to check it out. Note that that is a 2-to-1 orgeat, and what I'm using right now is a 1-to-1. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. 1/2 ounce of orange liqueur. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. And finally, 1.5 ounces of your Pusser's Blue Label rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. Add some ice. And give it a shake. Now, the official recipe calls for a hurricane glass, an ice-filled hurricane glass. Note that there is not even 4 ounces of liquid in my shaker right now. Even if I fill this up with ice, it's not going to fill the glass, unless I make a double, which I didn't do. So I'm not gonna use a hurricane. But if you wanna be truly official, use a hurricane. Instead, I'm gonna use a double old fashioned. And I'm gonna grab some more ice, because I need to fill this with ice. Now that I have ice, I'm gonna fill my glass. And I'm gonna strain my drink into there. Now the garnish. I'm going to start with 1/2 ounce of a rum float. And Pusser's rum does specify 2 rums. One of them is their Navy strength rum, which I don't have. The other one is their Blue Label, which I do have. So I'm gonna float 1/2 ounce of this. And to do that, I'm gonna grab a bar spoon. Now that I have a bar spoon, I'm gonna slow pour this over the bar spoon. Spill some on the cutting board, because that's what you do. And the rest of the garnishes. We have a lime wedge. We have a pineapple wedge, which would not fit in this glass, so I have a couple chunks of pineapple and a cherry, right there, and a sprig of mint, except for that leaf apparently. And normally if I was using a hurricane, I'd use a straw, but I'm not using a hurricane, so I'm not going to use a straw. And there you have it, a Pusser's Rum Classic Mai Tai. Drink with good spirits.